Alright, and go ahead.
Hi, my name is Amy Welch and I'm 18 years old. The spark of creation, may it burn forever. The spark of creation, I am the keeper of the flame. We all think we want just a lifetime of leisure, each perfect day the same, endless vacation. Well, that's alright if you're a kind of crustacean, but if you're born with an imagination, sooner or later you feel the fire, get higher and higher, the spark of creation. Great.
Wow, okay, I underestimated you, but that's my fault. It should be fine.